Bel Air, Maryland is a booming land development community. And your home here deserves to be expertly maintained, keeping its value on par with that of neighboring homes. A simple kitchen remodel produces the highest return on investment and can truly give your home the fresh look you've been craving. Our Bel Air residential contractors are experts at designing efficient food prep spaces and intimate dining areas. So many great new innovations in shower and bath hardware and accessories have made bathroom remodeling easier than ever. Bath to shower conversions are a quick way to gain square footage and more space for storage. Now more than ever you may have the need to work from home. We have converted garages and basements into home offices for many Bel Air professionals, and we can do the same for you. We are Bel Air residential contractors who also specialize in custom home building from the ground up. We'll work together with you to create an affordable plan. We provide you with an itemized proposal so you'll be sure about the products and services you receive. You need a trustworthy home builder sooner rather than later. Call today at 410-469-8671. And you'll get a general contractor in the Bel Air area who can complete your home building and remodeling professionally and quickly. Call today at 410-469-8671.